Process. Prior concept generation is the opportunity identification and selection. When we speak of identification and selection, it is the active and passive generation of new product opportunities as spin-outs of the ongoing business operation. The new product suggestions, change in marketing plan, resource changes, and new needs in the marketplace. Research, evaluate, validate, and rank them as opportunities but not specific product concepts. Give major ones a preliminary strategic statement to guide further on this work. Okay? So, mag-iisip muna kayo. Ano yung pwede nyong gawin? Ano yung mga ma-identify at mapipili na posibleng product in the market? Okay? Ano yung mga needs, wants in the marketplace? Okay? Open to suggestions, changes in marketing plan, resource changes. Lahat yan. Dun papasok sa opportunity identification prior the concept generation. Okay? Paano gagawin yon? These are the activities that feed strategic planning for new products. Ongoing marketing planning. Kailangan tignan niyo yung mga aggressive competitor. Ongoing corporate planning. Ito naman yung mga senior management shifts, technical resources, from basic research to applied product development. What else? Special opportunity analysis. A firm has been overlooking a skill in manufacturing process engineering. Diba? Pwede nyo makita, mapansin kung ano yung meron doon. Okay? While identifying and selecting possible opportunities. What are the sources of identified opportunities? An underutilized resource, a new resource, an external mandate, an internal mandate. When we speak of an underutilized resource, ito yung a manufacturing process, an operation, or a strong franchise. Dito nyo makikita as a source of identified opportunities. Ano pa? A new resource. Ano ibig sabihin ng new resource? Discovery of a new material with many potential uses. An external mandate. Ano yun? A stagnant market combined with competitive threat. Ibig sabihin, stagnant na, steady na yung market. Pero dapat lagyan nyo ng konting twist para maging competitive. An internal mandate, new products used to close long-term sales gap. Ito yung mga senior management's desires. Okay? After identifying and selecting opportunities, you go to concept generation. When we speak of concept generation, you select a high potential opportunity or an urgent opportunity and begin customer involvement. Collect available new product concepts that fit the opportunity and generate new ones as well. Okay? Dito yung evaluation. Evaluate new product concepts on technical, marketing, and financial criteria. Rank them and select the best 2 or 3. Request project proposal authorization when have product definition, team, budget, skeleton of development plan. Okay? What else? Ano yung stages? What are you going to do? Screening. Importante yan. These are the stages of concept generation or project evaluation. Screening, concept testing, full screen, project evaluation. Okay? Number 4, ito yung development. This is a technical task. Okay? Development, pwedeng technical task, and marketing task. When we speak of development, specify the full development process and its deliverables. Undertake to design prototypes, test and validate prototypes against protocol. Design and validate production process for the best prototype. Slowly scale up production as necessary for production and market testing. Number 4, this is the development through marketing task. Prepare strategy, tactics, and launch details for marketing plan. Prepare proposed business plan and get approval for it. Stipulate product augmentation and prepare for it. So, ang development natin, class, hindi lang siya basta-basta technical task. Kasama rin dyan yung marketing task. They will go hand in hand before the launch. Launch, of course, dito lalabas, class, is commercialize the plans and prototypes from development phase. Begin distribution and sale of the new product. Maybe, pag nagsisale kayo, limited muna. And manage the launch program to achieve the goals and objectives set in the product innovation. Okay? Kailangan, actually yung launch na yan, class, yung sinasabi nating launch dyan, is that ito yung part na tinitesting mo pa lang. Limited pa lang yung market. Limited pa lang yung market na pinagbibigyan mo ng produkto mo. Okay? So now, what else? Methods of accelerating time to market. Dapat, class, nagkakaroon kayo ng idea dito because when you market a certain product, okay, you should have a clear product innovation charter. Ano ba yung product innovation charter? Dito sa product innovation charter, class, dito ito yung pinaka-bible ng produkto nyo. Okay? Nandito lahat. Nandito ang paano ginawa yung produkto, paano ang strategy sa produkto, paano ang marketing plan, kasama dyan ang budget, kasama dyan ang resources, saan ba galing. Everything is written in the product innovation charter. Have a third-generation new products process that permits overlapping phases. Use a new product portfolio and careful project selection to allocate scarce resources. Focus on quality. Get it right the first time. Have an empowered cross-functional team para ma-accelerate nyo yung kung kailan nyo ima-market yung inyong produkto. Okay? Now, what about new services, class? What about the new services? Successful new services tend to come from the firms that use a systematic process, much like the new products. Iterations may be more frequent since they are less expensive. Unique, superior service must be delivered to achieve success. Speed to market with services is important, especially in enhancing reputation, image, and customer loyalty. Most important adjustments have to do with the customized experience of each service customer. Therefore, the human interaction between service provider and customer is the highest importance. Tatandaan nyo yung class. Human interaction between the service provider and customer is of highest importance. Lahat yan, lahat yung statement na yan, applicable yan. Kahit anong produkto, mapa-restaurant ka, o mapa-blade ka, mapa-ballpen ka. Class, highest importance. Okay? What about the new-to-the-world products? The challenges are different, but the first phase remains the same. Opportunity identification and development of strategic statement. There should be a clear connection required between the radical innovation and the firm's strategic vision. A firm may establish a transition management team to move the research and development innovation project to business operating status. The new products process is more explanatory need to bring in the voice of the customer. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple, class. It is always important na yung voice of the customers are being heard. Okay? Regardless of your research and development. Now, how do you manage breakthrough in innovation? You involve customer and market interaction as well as technical development. Para ma-manage mo yung innovation mo, kailangan ma-involve ang customer. Okay? Tolerate failure. But, of course, you have to learn from it. Kaya nga mo ini-involve ang customer para malaman mo kung may problema. Longer and much more expensive than typical business development but required the 4 breakthrough opportunities. Discover-driven planning. Forecast. Importante, class, ang forecasting. Okay? And one technique is the probe and learn process for new-to-the-world products. Importante yung probe and learn. Tandaan niyo yung term na yan, class. Probe and learn. Focused. Prototypes example. Merong example na halimbawa, okay, yung zip drive, iOmega. Over 50 prototypes were built to test out ideas with customers. So, ang ginawa nila, paggawa sila ng 50, tapos pinadala nila sa mga customer nila, sa mga regular customers, sa mga top customers para matest yung produkto. The lickety stick, iterative process, a non-linear, more flexible process in which dozens of prototypes may be tried. Kaya nga lickety. Before setting it on one that customers like. Stick. Diba? Pag marami, lickety. Tapos lalagay mo sa isang customer, like. That is lickety-like. Class, why do you think that a firm needs or a corporation needs a new product strategy? Simple. Because the new product, it will lead the team. It will move the company to that direction. Diba? It will set the team's goals and objectives. Dun mafo-focus ang team. Kaya kailangan may strategy. Kailangan nag-uusap-usap para mas maintindihan kung ano dapat ang gawin. Okay? It is like the company within a company. May kumpanya ka, sa loob ng kumpanya. Ang ginagawa lang nito ay product strategy. Develop a budget, do financial analysis, assign tasks, and so on. Okay? They need strategic direction on where they must and must not go. The product team manager will say, what sandbox should I be playing in before beginning to think of a specific products? Okay? So, ganun ka-elaborate, class ang ating product planning. Applicable ba yun sa restaurant? In a way, pero hindi ganun ka-detalyado. Hindi ganun ka-detalyado, class, itong product management with regard to restaurant. Kasi niluluto lang to. Ginagawa. Ina-apply, tinitimpla, kung magiging click sa market, madaling wag gawin. Unlike to mga machines, technologies, syempre sa class, magastos yan. Okay? Like in my case right now, I have developed a new product. Maybe you can try it. I will call the product the first in Pampanga. Surprise pa siya. I will launch it. I-invite ko kayo. Basta nawala na yung quarantine, yung ECQ or MECQ or whatever they call it. Okay? Plus, it is important that product platform planning is identified because many firms find that it is not efficient to develop a single product. Yan yung tinatawag natin na product platform planning. Platform, ito yung product families that share similarities in design, development, or production process. Okay? Ang tawag dyan is product platform. Ano yung halimbawa niyan, class? Halimbawa, yung ating kotse, car industry. Class, ang isang kotse, class, hindi naman pwedeng isang model lang yan. Maaaring kunyari, yung makina nito is applicable sa maraming kotse. Tinitweak lang, inaayos lang. Halimbawa ulit, kunyari na lang, simple, yung Procter & Gamble, class. Liquid Ariel for the European market. Tapos, for the North, Liquid Tide. See? Nakuha nila yung technique, pero iba sila ng brand. Yung branding nila, isang Ariel, isang Tide. Pero isang owners, P&G. Pero iba ng market. Pero ang tanong, magkapamilya lang. Diba? Ang kaibahan lang, the way you present it to the public, the way you manage to show it to the public. Okay? Gaya halimbawa, isa rin, yung Black & Decker, kung familiar kayo dyan. I'm sure, familiar yung mga magulang nyo. Your father. Isa lang ang ginagamit itong electric motor. Pero, iba-ibang tools. Diba? Pwede siyang hand drill, pwede siyang lagare, pwedeng kung ano-anong tools para sa isang motor lang. Ang tawag dyan is product platform. Okay? Ano yung opportunity identification? When we speak of opportunity identification, ang nag-trend dyan is, I think simple lang, McDonald's. Diba? Anong ginawa nila? Location sila. Based on location. Ang ginawa nila, naglagay sila ng mga gandang lokasyon sa maraming tao. Doon sa lugar na pinupuntahan ng tao. Not only that, in the United States, class, kahit mga Walter Marts, pinaglalagyan nila. Tapos, tinatabihan pa nila. Halimbawa, meron pa rin, tinatabihan nila ang Starbucks. Tapos, nagtitinda pa sila ng mga beans. These are called opportunity identification. Yan yung tinatawag sa Amerikang Greenfields Market. Okay? Ano pa yon? Yung leverage your firm's strengths in a new activity center. Ginawa ng Nike. Nike, dati, basketball lang. But recently, nandun na siya sa golf and hockey. Diba? Hindi lang siya pang basketball. Pwede rin siya pang golf. What else? Now, you have to understand, class, yung kanina ko pang sinasabi, ano ba yung Product Innovation Charter or PIC? When we speak of PIC, it is the new product team's strategy. It is for products. It is for innovation. And, of course, it is for charter. Product Innovation Charter. Typically, ito ay isang dokumento prepared by senior management designed to provide guidance to the strategic business units on the role of innovation. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, kompleto yan, class. Nandyan ang resources, nandyan ang budget, nandyan ang marketing strategy, all in one. Nandyan lahat yan. Ang tawag dyan ay Product Innovation Charter. Meron bang gumagawa niyan? Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, maraming gumagawa niyan, maraming kumpanya. Ang restaurant lang, hindi lang Product Innovation Charter ang term. So it's a new term for big companies. Pero kanya-kanya, it comes in a variety of form. But it is nandun yung produkto, nandun yung innovation, nandun yung documentation. Yun ang pinaka-importante doon. Okay? So, that is your marketing and strategic planning.